Okay, in the last video, I showed you how and why to use the Pagemash plugin for your WordPress blog, and promised in this video to show you what this would look like. Okay, so now we've created a link for that page that we want hidden, the About page in this example that we want hidden from up here. And now we've created a link. So now we need to go into Appearances, and we need to add a widget to our sidebar that includes that link. So go into Appearances, click on Widget, and then see this one that says Links? Throw that right there. It'll save it for you automatically. When it's done, come here, click Refresh. And it's not there. There it is. Had to refresh it. Okay, so there's my links, and I recommend you go. These are all the default ones that come with WordPress. I suggest you go remove them, but you'll see the About pages there. We added that. Boom. So if you do want to have 50 pages and you want them to know where to get to them, but you don't want them looking ugly across here at the top, that's how you do it. You create the page, get the URL, hide it using Pagemash, and then add it to your blog roll or to your links. And you can change the name of this. You can change that category to say topics or best pages or best websites or whatever. And then you've got that there. Little cool trick real quick about your links. In your widget here, you can change some settings. You can have it show the descriptions or not or whatever. You can choose the category if you have different categories of links. And you can save that. But if you come back to the links option over here, you can make it be a drop-down menu. Actually, I lied. I lied. I'm not thinking straight. Not links. Categories. This is just a little tidbit for you. You do this with categories. I'll show you what I mean. If you go into widgets and you drag categories to your sidebar, you're not going to see much yet on this blog because we don't have any categories. All we got is this uncategorized category, right? But we can we can choose to have this show up as a drop-down menu or as a hierarchy or different things. I like the drop-down menu because if you have tons of categories, I'll show you this in action. Save that. Okay. And then what this is going to look like on your blog, you'll still only have one category because you haven't made any more categories. But do you see this categories thing here? It's a drop-down menu. That's good if you have tons of categories. I'll show you an example of this right here. Let's go to the members only website of the Master Strategies Mentoring System, mymasterstrategies.com/members only. And you can't, without being a member, you can't access anything in here. If you click to see any of the blogs in there, and this is still being built, so you won't see much. You can't see them. But I have tons of categories. See all these categories? Okay, and over here in the sidebar, using that drop down, instead of having 100 categories, it'll look like, I don't have it in there, but it will look like this, and makes it just more orderly and a better user experience. So just a cool little tidbit for you. And in the next video, we're going to keep going with helping you set up your lead generating machine, website, blog, call it what you will. Have a great day.